Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Elantra front bumper. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Start by carefully lifting the front of your vehicle and securing it with jack stands for stability. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old bumper. Begin by locating and removing all the screws, clips, and fasteners that hold it in place, often found in the wheel wells and under the vehicle. Next, gently disconnect any electrical components like fog lights or sensors. With all attachments free, carefully pull the bumper away from the vehicle, ensuring no damage to paint or surrounding parts. With the old bumper off, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new bumper with the vehicle's mounting points and clips. Ensure a snug fit before proceeding. Reconnect all electrical components, such as fog lights and sensors, to their respective harnesses. Finally, secure the bumper by reinserting all the screws, clips, and fasteners you removed earlier, making sure everything is tight. After installation, perform a thorough inspection. Double-check all fasteners and connections to ensure the new bumper is perfectly secure and aligned. Test all lights, fog lights, and sensors to confirm they are working correctly. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. Your new bumper is now ready to protect your vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.